Hey everyone, we are standing outside of a building. Well, we're actually going to be programming a key today. However, it's actually on the showroom floor. So we're going to be talking outside until it's time to get to programming. So today we're going to be programming a 2017 Toyota 4Runner with the AutoProPad G2 Turbo. Now, I do have Megan with us today. Megan, thanks you for being here. And Ian. We're gonna mix it up once again, and we want to see what is it really like. If you're watching and you've watched a bunch of the videos on me programming keys, and you're wondering what is it really like to just hop in and try to program after just having the videos as your experience, right? And so now Megan and Ian have officially programmed one vehicle, okay? Doing this format, right? And Ian won. How'd that feel winning?
It was pretty good. It was good to know that all the skills I've been learning while doing customer support, they're paying off.
How did it feel losing?
It was fine.
No
big deal.
Just fine. Just fine, right? And so we've already went ahead and we've duplicated the keys. It's the TOY 44G. All right, now we're just gonna do the basic keys today because I really want to try to get down to the basics and see on the most basic, I've been saying that a lot, but at the most basic level, you're gonna see and experience with us what it's really like to get in there and do it. So have either of you programmed a Toyota 4Runner before?
Nope,
Never.
Or a Toyota period?
Nope.
Never.
Have either of you ever programmed with the AutoProPad G2 Turbo?
Not once.
No.
I'm a little nervous. I've never used it before.
Not super familiar with the machine. Haven't really had a lot of experience with it.
Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna have Ian go first this time.
All right.
And we're gonna see who wins. Now, once again, I'm going to add a little pressure, right? Because that's the deal. If you're out programming keys for customers, well, you're gonna feel some extra pressure doing so, okay? So I'm putting this $50 bill right here to the winner, all right? So Ian, let's go ahead and we'll get you going.
All right, let's go.
And let's see who wins this.
So we've got the existing key, and then we've got our chipped key that's already pre-cut and ready to go. So to start off, we're gonna go into immobilization, hit agree. All right, we're gonna scroll down to US Toyota. It's actually simpler than I thought it was gonna be. We got it plugged into the OBD2 port down below, and it's talking via Bluetooth. Plugging it in, following all the prompts. Little less prompts than with the Smart Pro, but really doesn't hurt that bad. Just making sure you're going through all the steps. No proximity. We're gonna go here. It's gonna connect. Failed to connect. Okay. Add a key. All right. It actually went by so fast I didn't even realize that programmed. So, if that, take that for what it's worth.
Plugged in, we are ready to go. We got the 2017 Toyota 4Runner. We're gonna agree to that. And let's find US Toyota. I think I might beat him this time. I'm feeling hopeful. I'm feeling real confident. Do key by vehicle 4Runner. This is a So we're gonna just plug this key into the on position. All right, we're gonna do by vehicle. It is a 4Runner. This is a little bit easier to use than I thought it was going to be. I've seen it used when PJ's done it before, but walking through this has been very, very simple, very easy to understand. All right, so we're gonna add a key. One master key is needed. To continue, we've done that. All right, insert the key you wish to program. Do not switch ignition to on position. So it's very straightforward in what I'm supposed to do. So I'm just inserting the key itself. I'm gonna wait for the security light to turn off. And program is complete. Okay.
So we ran into the same thing with Ian. I think that's it.
Oh, okay.
All right, Ian, Megan, how was it?
It was good. It was good. A lot better than the last one, that's for sure. For me.
How was it?
It was really good. It went by really quick. Super simple. AutoPro Pad's a great tool.
So, you know, the interesting part about this one is I've actually been in a different room the entire time. And I've ran out of Topo Chico, so I was drinking water. And I couldn't just help but wonder what was going on the whole time. So, was it pretty seamless? Now, this was in the showroom, okay, of this dealer. And so there's people all around, right?
Yeah.
There's people all around. We have the hood up, had a battery pack on it, right? I mean, did you feel some extra pressure, not only trying to beat each other for the 50 bucks, but like where you're like, hey, that one sales guy keeps looking at me or something like that?
It was a little bit of pressure, not much though.
Okay.
Pretty simple. I didn't feel anything. Did you have anything?
It was a little nerve-wracking. This must be a little, it was a taste of how it must feel programming in front of the customer with them just watching.
So Connor, he's the one holding the camera. Would you point the camera at the winner? Ian won again. Again, so Connor, how much did Ian win by?
It'll be on the screen
Okay.
right here, but roughly 20 to 25 seconds faster.
Okay. So pretty gosh darn
my
close. Pretty gosh darn close. Well, Ian, let me present you with a fake $50 bill.
you.
No, it's real. I'm joking with you.
Congratulations again.
Thank you. You were
Congrats.
good competition.
Good stuff. Well, hey everybody, I really hope you enjoyed this format of what it really looks like. Programming for the first time and the challenges that come with that. I'd love to know what you think in the comments below, and make sure you include the hashtag LockBoss to be entered in to win one of 5 free prizes that we give away each and every week. Thank you for watching. Thank you too for having some fun.
Thank you.
And we'll see y'all next time. Are we rolling?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well.
All right. Again.
Again.
Have to kill something? Okay.
Wow.
All right.
He is.
Ready?
Go ahead.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey everyone, we're Hey everyone, we are standing outside of a building. How did it feel losing?
It was fine.
I was just
No
playing-
big deal.
Just playing. Just playing around. So,
How did it feel losing? That was hard.
Ouch.
Ooh.
Ouch.
Ooh.
should we cut that out?
You should do like
No.
you
Oh.
should do that with like a sound after it.
Going.
Yeah.
Sure.